Once more, central Greece finds itself grappling with the devastating aftermath of torrential rain, as fresh floods have wreaked havoc in areas already battered by deadly storms just weeks ago. This relentless deluge has caused road damage, flooded homes, and resulted in power outages in both the city of Volos and the island of Evia. Late on Wednesday, authorities issued evacuation orders for at least 8 villages as floodwaters surged, prompting a ban on road traffic in Volos, a coastal city with a population of approximately 140,000. Residents were urged to remain indoors to ensure their safety. The fire service has been inundated with hundreds of calls for assistance in Volos, with dozens of people requiring evacuation from flooded homes. Thankfully, there have been no reports of casualties or missing individuals. State-run ERT television reported that the basement of the Volos hospital had flooded, although medical services remained operational. These new heavy storms follow a summer marked by deadly wildfires that inflicted record levels of destruction. Earlier on Wednesday, the Greek government declared climate change adaptation as a national priority. The city of Volos, along with the nearby Mount Pelion region and other parts of central Greece, is still in the process of recovering from the devastating floods earlier this month. Those floods claimed 16 lives, destroyed homes and critical infrastructure, ravaged crops, and resulted in the loss of tens of thousands of livestock in the crucial farming area of Thessaly. Some of these areas continue to grapple with a lack of drinking water due to the previous storms. In the northern part of Evia Island, army and municipal teams worked diligently to clear debris from roads near the flood-affected towns of Limni and Mantoudi. The fire service received numerous distress calls from flooded households seeking assistance. Authorities had been on high alert in central Greece and nearby islands in anticipation of the storm's arrival. The government has estimated that the damage caused by the earlier storm this month exceeds €2 billion, 2.1 billion, with infrastructure repairs alone projected to cost nearly €700 million, 735 million. Greece has secured emergency funding from the European Union and is in the process of renegotiating the terms of existing aid packages to allocate additional resources to address the damage wrought by wildfires and floods.